Okay, so I bought this set of gauge block from eBay, or no, not eBay, Banggood or something like that. It cost about 70 euros, 80 US dollars, and well, for my hobby purposes, it's going to be, I'm pretty sure it's going to be perfectly good enough. In a second, I'll show you. Okay, so I have these two blocks. Clean them a bit on my not too clean shirt, well, see if we can get them to stick. Yeah, here they are, just surface to surface, metal surface against metal surface, and they stick together. That should mean that they are really, really flat. And also, I figure if they are this flat, they're probably fairly precise as well. And there was a review on these blocks by a Swedish guy who had access to some high precision measuring stuff. And as far as he could tell, there was very little deviation from the indicated measurements, sizes of these blocks. I'll see if I can find the link where I bought this and put it in the description below. Anyway, this is just, they're not magnetic, or it's just flat surfaces. So pretty good set for 80 US dollars.